My name is Jill Thomas. I'm the District Manager of Department for Work and Pensions for Cheshire. I joined Cheshire District just in January this year after many years of working across communities in Merseyside, so thanks for inviting us along today. I think you might have been expecting Ben and Colin, who I know have been heavily involved, but Colin today is over in Style Prison with a group of employers doing some work over there, and Ben is on his way, but he's stuck in Manchester trying on, I think, going to be here soon, so Deb and I are just standing in for them. So thank you for inviting us to give feedback this morning on the great work that's been going on through the Property Truth Commission. The department and Cheshire District wanted to get involved because we want to listen to the people who have trouble navigating our services and to improve our service offer through that feedback that we are giving. Also wanted to take the opportunity to engage with the wider civic and business community. The Commission came at a time when we are changing our delivery within our job centres, and Debbie's going to touch on that just in a second, but also a great opportunity for us to listen to the work from the community inspirers and the communities across Cheshire. It's been a fantastic experience for us to be involved in the Poverty Truth Commission and for us to work with the department to receive and give that feedback. And Debbie's going to tell you a little bit more about the work that we've been doing.
Okay. Part of our work during the Commission has been to discuss why services are delivered in a certain way and communicating why decisions have been made. We believe that we've made good progress over the last year on how we communicate with local people and with partner organisations. During our involvement in the PTC, we have progressed in several important areas. These include our co-location in Winsford, GP engagement strategy, customer service, and tailoring our local support offer across Cheshire West. The co-location in Winsford is going to be a great example of how organisations can work in close proximity and deliver a great service. The DWP are going to be based in Wyburn House in Winsford, alongside the Citizens Advice, the Work Zone, Active Cheshire, the Local Authority Housing Options Team, and the National Careers Service. We're very confident that our hub in Winsford will be a great success, and the PTC has helped shape this through the person-centred approach. We will continue to develop the service and engage after the hub opens, but this may take place after we're settled in. We have also been able to look at how other hubs operate in the Cheshire region, such as the Orford Hub. Attending the Orford Hub early in September and hearing from both staff at the hub and the PTC was essential in figuring out what made the hub work. It is, however, very important that we are proactive and continue to engage with organisations based in Winsford and not just assume links will be made naturally because we're in the same location. On GP engagement, we have developed new links with the Cheshire clinical commissioning groups, but we have also worked more closely with GP practices. It became clear from the benefits subgroup that GP engagement was something we should be prioritising. And we'd like to thank Claire for linking us and the department up with the Cheshire CCG representatives. It's extremely important that the NHS and DWP work together to support people back into employment. We've also taken excellent work from around the country and tailored it to Cheshire. This includes using appointment screens in Northwich to signpost patients to our services. Signposting to services such as Work and Health programme, which is there to support those with health conditions into work. On customer service, we've introduced the Customer Service Excellence. This is an externally assessed customer service accreditation that will look at how we provide customer service across our sites in Cheshire. This will help us to further build on our customer service and recognise where we currently have good practice and what we need to do on a daily basis. At the same time, DWP has listened also, and policy changes brought in nationally will help create a better service here in Cheshire. The run-on for housing benefit, the 7-day waiting time being reduced to 0, benefit advances are now more flexible, and more resources being provided for the wider universal credit implementation. These are important steps to make sure our implementation going forward is seamless.
So as I said when I first came up, joined DWP in Cheshire during the time of the Commission, but my role now will be to continue the work and how we can take it forward across our job centres in Cheshire. Continuing that work and working with everyone who's in the room today. A key part, as Debbie said, is our GP engagement strategy, which we have started to implement, and we must continue that work with our NHS partners. Delighted to have introduced our community partner, Gareth Siggy, who's working with us now. I know he's already been involved in the Commission, as well as working with organisations across Cheshire. Indeed, we are currently recruiting for a mental health community partner and young persons community partner for Cheshire West. So if anyone in the room today knows anyone or you're interested yourself, then please come and find me. Let me know. So we are working towards external accreditation of our customer service during 2018, but for me that's a continuous improvement, a continuous process of improvement. We are pleased to announce that we are committed to the Poverty Truth Commission pledge. It's something that we are delighted to be part of and look forward to working with everyone over the coming years. Thank you.